Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to see your previous projects on Lovable AI. First, go to lovable.dev. Now, once logged in, you can scroll down and here you will see your workspace which contains all of your previous projects. You can click on this View All button at the top right. Then, you will see all of your projects. You can even go search for a specific one that you're looking for, or you can go and sort it by date, last edited, or through alphabetical. You can also go and select the creators of your project. Now, going back, if you go and create a new project, Lovable AI will make it for you. Then if you go back to your dashboard, you will see now on your workspace the new project that you just created along with your previous ones. And you can go and click on one so that you can work on it. But that's just basically it. That's how you see your previous Lovable AI projects. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.